In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI YouTube thumbnails like this one, and this one with 3 simple copy and paste prompts. Now, the first thing you want to do is upload your YouTube video onto YouTube so you can get the transcript. So I'll go into my YouTube studio, click create, upload video, select the video I'd like to upload, and wait for the video to upload and for the transcript of the video to be generated. Once the video is fully uploaded and processed, you can click on the video link, scroll down under the video, click more, and then do show transcript. This will then give you the entire transcript of the video, which you want to highlight. And again, if you don't see your transcript available, it's likely because your video hasn't fully processed. Once you've highlighted and copied the entire transcript, go to ChatGPT and paste the transcript. Then ask ChatGPT to describe you the perfect thumbnail image. Using this transcript, detail the perfect YouTube thumbnail image that is eye-catching, vibrant, very detailed, and highly realistic. I'll then click enter. ChatGPT will then describe the perfect YouTube thumbnail as I asked it to in the above prompt. I'll then tell ChatGPT to make me a thumbnail based upon its description of the perfect thumbnail image. The prompt will be create me a YouTube thumbnail based on that description in a 16:9 aspect ratio. I will then also tell ChatGPT to put most of the text in the middle of the image because sometimes ChatGPT does cut off letters unintentionally. Make sure the words are in the center of the image and click enter. You'll then see it's getting started creating the image, and you'll see here that I did actually cut off some of the words in the bottom left hand corner. So what I'll do now is I'll actually ask ChatGPT to analyze how it did. The prompt will be analyze this image and recommend things to improve, make drastic improvements. I'll then copy this image, place it in again, and then prompt ChatGPT to recreate the image based upon the improvements it suggested. The prompt will be recreate the image based on the improvements you recommended above, make the image 16:9 aspect ratio. And again, it keeps cutting off my text on the left hand side. So I'm going to grab the original image again, copy it, paste it, copy all the things it said to improve it, paste those, and also add redo, making all the text in the exact center of the image. 16:9 aspect ratio. And I'm also going to change the person to look like me. So what I'm going to do is click the plus button, click add photos or files, find a clear photo of myself and click open to add it, then prompt it and recreate the person to look like the image to attached. Now, after prompting it a few more times, just retelling it to center the text, I was able to get all the text into one single image. So I'm then going to download the image and move it into Canva because it's actually not going to be the right file size or the right dimensions for the YouTube thumbnail quite yet. So I'll click download on the image. I'll then find the image and move it into Canva. I'll then expand it out, center the image, then use some of the AI tools within Canva, which is to click edit, scroll over to magic expand the image out so it fills the entire screen. Click expand. Choose the one that looks the best, which is going to be this one here. Click done. Adjust it a little bit more, and then you have your final thumbnail here, created in just a couple of minutes with ChatGPT. I'll then click share, download, select PNG as the file type, compress the file so you can upload it onto YouTube. Select this page only as the one to download, click done, then download the image. Then I can go back to YouTube, upload my file, select my thumbnail, click open, and there you go. Now you have your ChatGPT YouTube thumbnail on your YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more AI or creator tutorials, make sure to subscribe.